So good evening everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Happy evening, sir.
Happy evening.
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
So here let us see the concept called as burst and stream. Yes, so this concept is important concept. You will get a question from this area. Uh, I think 2021 there was a question with sorry not 2021 2020 there was a question with respect to burst and stream. So therefore try to uh, develop some shortcuts and something with respect to boats and stream. First of all, understand the concept before the shortcuts. So here, uh, let us take something here. You call these as a. So first of all, you need to know about the difference between the train concept and boats and stream concept. So here, both boats and stream as well as the train concept is the applications of your relative speed. But whereas one difference is there. Okay, can anyone say the difference? What is the difference? So here this boats and stream is also a applications of a relative speed only. Okay, then train also, okay, it's an application of a relative speed only. But what is the difference between here?
Yes,
Anyone
speed
know?
of the river also.
Huh. Ismail, yes.
Vehicles, sir.
The,
Movements of vehicles at different speeds, sir.
Anu.
Yes, sir.
So here the thing is the differs. Okay, the difference is nothing but the train. Okay, involves with respect to the stationary object. So the stationary object is nothing but the platform. Sorry, not only the platform. You can now check with the tracks. Okay, the tracks is a stationary one. It is not a moving one. So whereas with respect to the boats and stream, so it is the medium is the water. That medium, the water is also moving here. So that is the main difference between this thing. Understood? So now, so here, what you have to make note of it. So here the boat moves with the stream. Okay, stream is nothing but you can call it as a river. Okay, then you can call that as a flowing object. You can call that as a flowing object, and also you need to note a few things with respect to speed of the boat and what is the speed of the stream. So those things we need to make note of it. So before that you would like to have to know about that what do you mean by upstream, downstream, etc. So now let us take this one. So okay, I'm just taking this one. So then these and all consider as a water. Okay, consider as a water. Okay, these and all water. Now, so now the ship. Okay, okay, the ship is moving. So now the flow is the flow of the river. Okay, so I'm just considering the flow of river in this direction. If a ship is moving in this direction, you can call that as a downstream. You can call that as a downstream. Okay, moving along the water, then downstream. Okay, so now again the ship is there. Okay, the ship is there, but moving against, moving against, or else boat. Okay, moving against, then you can call this as a upstream. You can call this as a upstream. So here just consider the speed of a boat, the speed of a boat. So boat or else the same logic with respect to the man, that is also possible here. You can call that as a swimmer. So that speed of your boat as u kilometer per hour. Then consider the speed of your stream. Okay, you can call a stream as a current. Okay, so that consider as a v kilometer per hour. Okay, then so therefore speed of boat, or else you can call it as a downstream speed. Simple word, take it as a downstream speed. Downstream speed is nothing but x plus y. Downstream speed is equal to x plus y. Okay, so kilometer per hour. Then upstream speed. Upstream means against, therefore it reduces the speed. Okay, water reduces the speed. You can call that as a x minus y kilometer per hour. Now if you are taking u, then u plus v. Here u minus v, both are same only. Okay, if you are some cases, some books, they will give you as of x and y. Here we are taking both the cases. So now let us move on with the one question, and then we move on with the some other concept. So basic concept of this is the basic one. Upstream speed is nothing but a x minus y. Downstream speed is nothing but a x plus y. Understood? Clear
Yes,
means
sir.
clear. Ah, fine. So now the speed of a boat in a still water, okay, is 20 kilometer per hour. If the speed of the stream be 4 kilometer per hour, find the downstream speed and upstream speed. Simple.
416.
Huh. So downstream means the same. So therefore u plus v, both are in the kilometer per hour. So therefore your 20 plus 4, so which is equal to 24 kilometer per hour. So then upstream, so which is equal to u minus v kilometer per hour, so which is equal to 20 minus 4, which is equal to 16 kilometer per hour. So this is the basic question. Understood? Isn't it? Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now here you need to know about one more concept. Okay. So now I'm just considering this as a concept number 2. Okay. So consider the previous one as a concept number 1. So take this as a concept number 1. Then this is the concept number 2. This one. So now you know the speed of boat. Listen, the speed of boat in still water, which is equal to u. Then the speed of a stream is equal to v. Okay. Then you know the logic called as speed of downstream is equal to u plus v. The speed of upstream is equal to u minus v. Add up this. Add up this. So if you are adding, so 1 and 2. If you are adding, you will get a 2u. 2u is nothing but a sd plus su by. So this is 1. So then bring this sd plus su by 2, which is equal to u. So now from this what you are getting, so here what is u? The speed of the boat in still water. Okay, so then you can take it in this way also. Now the speed of boat means you can take it as a swimmer also. Okay, so which is equal to 1 by 2 into downstream speed plus upstream speed. So that is called as SD plus SU. So D defines for downstream, U defines for upstream. Then suppose subtracting na here, subtracting means U gets cancelled, then V will come. So therefore automatically you can find out the speed of a stream. The speed of a stream is equal to half into downstream speed minus upstream speed. So therefore, or else you can call that as a V is equal to SD minus SU by 2. So this is the logic behind this thing. With this, we will solve one problem. Okay, shall I show you the problem?
Sir, wait.
Fine. So totally 7 concepts are there, and then additionally average concept are there. Then the general questions we will discuss here. Up to this more than enough. Then I will give you a practice question. Okay, 10 to 15 question with respect to both sun stream. Then train also train question, and then with respect to one more time, speed, distance. So combinedly I will give you, okay, 30 questions tomorrow. That is the task for you. Okay, Sunday you people have to do that as your assignment. Okay, no class, okay, on Sunday for this batch. Now next week Sunday we will have a class. Okay, so now shall I move on with the next one?
Yes, sir.
Now a boat is rowed down of a river 40 kilometers 40 kilometer in 5 hours, and up of a river 21 kilometer in 7 hours. Find the speed of the boat and the river. Speed of the boat and the river. So now it is provided as the downstream, na? Downstream. Okay, speed. So first of all find out here you need to identify the speed of the boat and the river. The speed of the boat, what you have to, before that what you need to do, you need to calculate the downstream speed and then upstream speed. Okay, how to calculate? So now downstream speed, so which is equal to SD. So speed is nothing but water, distance by time, then distance by time, so therefore 8 kilometer per hour. Then upstream speed is equal to SU, so which is equal to 21 by 7, so which is equal to 3 kilometer per hour. After finding out this, easily you can calculate the speed of a boat. A speed of a boat is equal to what? Downstream
5.5.
speed upstream by 2, so therefore 11 by 2, so which is equal to 5.5 kilometer per hour. Then speed of a river or a stream, the speed of a river or current, so which is equal to SD minus SU by 2, so which is equal to subtract this, then 5 by 2, then which is equal to 2.5 kilometer per hour. Understood everyone? Girishma understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Anu understanding? Ismail,
Yes, sir.
Dinesh?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Ajay, understanding appa? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now this is the concept. Listen. So now this concept is called as average speed. Okay. So you can use this one. Okay. If the question is dealing with the average speed, you can use this concept. This is the concept number 3. So, but the question here is if a man or swimmer, okay, if a man or swimmer capable of rowing at the speed of x kilometer per hour in still water. So still water is nothing but a stagnate, okay, which means the water is not moving. Okay, so then still water, if a man capable of rowing at the speed of x kilometer in still water rows the same distance up and down, up and down a stream which flows, anything clear, or else you people want me to write clearly means I will write slowly. Understanding means fine, or else I will write slowly.
Understanding, sir.
Y kilometer per hour. So the question is like find the average speed. Find the average speed through the journey. So in this kind of question, if they ask you to find out the average speed, then average speed is equal to what? Upstream speed, upstream into downstream by a man's rate in still water. So upstream speed, so upstream is nothing but a x minus y, then downstream is nothing but a x plus y. Okay, divisible by, here man is nothing but a x, so you can use this one. Okay, now shall we do a problem with this concept? Fine,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
fine, listen carefully. A man rows at a speed of 8 kilometers. So therefore take this data first. So man rows at the speed of 8 kilometers. So therefore this is nothing but x in still water to a certain distance upstream and back to the starting point in a river which flows at, this is nothing but a y. This is nothing but a y. Find the average speed for the total journey. Find the average speed for the total journey. First of all, take the data. So x is nothing but 8 kilometer per hour, y is nothing but 4 kilometer per hour. Then the average speed is equal to x minus y into x plus y by x. So which is equal to 4 into 12 by 8. Here 2 times. Here therefore 6. So which is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Clear? Having doubt? No, right?
Sir, clear.
Clear. Then, so next concept. Concept number 4. A man can row a boat. A man can row a boat in still water at x kilometer per hour. Now listen. In a stream flowing at, stream is flowing at a y kilometer per hour. Man, so this thing you have to. So now if it takes, so this is the important thing you have to note down. T hours more in upstream. T hours more in upstream than to go downstream for the same distance. The question is for the same distance. Then, so distance is given by, okay, distance is, you can use this one, x plus y into x minus y t by 2y. If it is in kilometer, then kilometer. You can modify this as x square minus y also, x square minus y square t by 2t kilometer. The key words you need to understand first. A man can row with the speed and the stream flowing at some other speed, but it takes t hours more in the upstream than the downstream for the same distance. Yes, automatically upstream takes more hours since they are moving against the river stream. A man is moving against the stream, so the automatically it takes some more hour for to covering the same distance. Then they will ask you to find out the distance. To find out the distance, apply this one. Simple. So now I will show you the question. You people answer.
Sir, 2y or 2t, sir?
2y pa.
Yes.
2y. Shall I show you the question? Easily people will answer here. I'll wait 1 or 2 minutes.
Sir, 40.
40 is right. So now a man can row, right, 7 kilometers. Take this as a x. River, take this as a y. So it takes 6 hours more. 6 hours more. Now take this as a t. In upstream, then go to the downstream for the same distance. How far is the place? They are asking you to find out the distance. Those who are appearing for group exams, learn these things. Simple questions. Don't leave. Surely you can expect these kind of questions. Expect at least one question from the time, speed, distance. At least you can get 2 to 3 questions in this area if you are having your luck. Ratio and proportion, they will concentrate. Please concentrate in the ratio and proportion. Since a group exam and all, they will focus. They will give you more questions with respect to ratio and proportion, etc. So the thing is here, x square minus y square into t by 2y. X square 49 minus 9, t is nothing but 6 by 2 into y is nothing but 3. So therefore here 40, here 6 cancel. So 40 only remains, therefore 40 kilometer. Having doubt? No, right? Now, shall I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
this is concept number 5. Concept number 5. Okay. So, a man, or else you can take a whatever be the moving, a swimmer. The question you will get like a man or swimmer, then motor, boat or ship, whatever. Okay. Covers your certain distance. Covers a certain distance downstream. So now downstream in some hours, okay, downstream in some hours. So that some hours is nothing but a t 1 hours. Then returns a same distance. Returns your same distance upstream. Returns your same distance upstream in some hour. Okay, but the hours here differs. T2 hours. Okay. Here the question, listen, if the stream, if the speed of the stream, if the speed of the stream be y kilometer per hour, Then they will ask you to find out the speed of the boat, or else they will ask you to find out the speed of a man, boat or man, whatever, man, in still water. In still water. So in this case, apply this to find out the speed of your boat. So speed of your boat or man. The question is different scenario. Here man covers a certain distance downstream. So downstream is nothing but water. Then moving along the water in T1 hours. Then against the water in T2 hours. So now both are ways. So they provided you the stream speed, which means that the flow of your water. They will ask you to find out the man's in that is still water. So use this one. So y into T1 plus T2, or else you can go with to remember the denominator easily, you can go with this method. T2 plus T1 by T2 minus T1 kilometer per hour. Now, so taken means we will move on. Shall I show you the question?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
Now you people answer. A motor boat covers a certain distance downstream in 6 hours, but takes 8 hours to return the upstream to the starting point. If the speed of the stream, find the speed of the motor boat. Speed of a motor boat.
42, sir.
42. What is the ratio of the speed of a stream to the speed of a motor boat? Ratio.
Speed of the
Ratio of the speed of a stream to the speed of a motor boat. Find their ratio. Simple. Find the speed
is
of your.
1:7.
Huh? Huh? Again?
1:7.
1:7. That is right. So you may get a question in terms of a ratio also. Okay. So now the thing, first of all, you need to take a note here. So here T1 is nothing but 6 hours. T2 is nothing but 8 hours. Then you know the speed Y is nothing but a 6 kilometer per hour. Here you need to identify the speed of a boat. So here speed of a boat is nothing but a Y into T2 plus T1 by T2 minus T1 kilometer per hour. So everything in terms of kilometer per hour. So here 6, then obviously here 14, here 2, here 7, so which is equal to 42 kilometer per hour. Then so now addition. Okay, additionally, if they ask their ratio of speed, then 6 is to 42, so which is equal to 1 is to 7. Clear?
Sir, wait. Yes, sir, clear.
Clear. Fine. Then concept number 6. Concept number 6. So here this concept is a man can row a boat in still water at x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. So now listen. In a stream, in a stream flowing at y kilometer per hour, if it takes him, if it is takes him t hours to row to a place and come back. So then distance between the two places. Distance between the two places. So here required distance. So now I'll show you the difference, okay, with respect to. So now here t same here, but here in the denominator 2x kilometer. Now see the difference here with respect to now this one. What is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two? So with respect to concept number 4 and concept number 6, what is the difference? So here the man can row, listen, a man can row a boat in still water x kilometer in a stream flowing at a y kilometer if it is takes t hours to row a place and come back. So now that is scenario with respect to concept number. So concept number 6 is nothing but only one difference. So here t hours, the difference here is more in upstream than to the downstream for the same distance. Okay, the concept number 6 also same distance. Okay, see here, the concept number 6 also same. A man can row at a x kilometer, then a stream y kilometer. If it takes him t hours to row, not more. That keyword, please take note of it. If that more is there means in the denominator you have to put 2y. Here you have to put a 2x. So can you able to correlate the relation between difference between these two?
Yes, sir.
So that is the thing you need to take note of it. Okay, so this one and that one. So understand both are same. But the thing word is important. Now read this question now. A man can row 6 km per hour in a still water if the river is flowing 2 km per hour. If it is take 3 hours to row to a place and back. Simple. Not more. Simple thing is 3 hours exactly is going and coming back. So here going coming back in 3 hours itself. So then they are asking you to find out the distance. So you can take that. So x is nothing but 6 km per hour. Y is nothing but 2 km per hour. T is 3 hour. Then required distance, which is equal to t into x square minus y square by 2x kilometer per hour. Here 3. Then 36. Here 4 by 2 into 6. 3. Here 32, right? Here 32. Here 2. Here 6. So now here I am cancelling this. Here 2. Then 4. 4. 8s are obviously 8 km. Anybody having a doubt?
Clear.
No, sir.
Fine. So now next concept. So now concept number 7. So here, same, a man can row at the rate of, okay, at the rate of x kilometer per hour in still water. If time taken, if time taken to row a certain distance, time taken to row a certain distance upstream in upstream, if time taken to row a certain distance is, okay, is 3 times, or else let us take a, not 3 times, let us take a n times, in general n times, n times as much as to row the same distance, to row the same distance of downstream. Find the speed of the stream, speed of a stream, or else speed of your stream, listen, speed of a stream, or else speed of a current. Okay, so here this much of questions. Okay, now listen, the speed of a man by speed of a current or else stream, so which is equal to n plus 1 by n minus 1. Okay, apply this one, you'll get in a simple manner. So now listen, the question I will give you, a man can row at the rate of 4 km per hour in still water if time taken to row a certain distance upstream is 3 times as much as to row the same distance of downstream. Find the speed of a current. Find the speed of a current.
2 kilometers per hour.
Kilometer per hour.
2 km. Clear? Listen, I am giving speed of a man as 4. Okay, n as 3 times. So therefore here 4 by speed of a current, which is equal to here 3 plus 1 4 by here 3 minus 1 2, cancel this, then equate this, therefore speed of the current is equal to 2. Clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Solve this question. This question was UPSC 2020 question. UPSC 2020 question. A man takes half time in rowing a certain distance downstream than the upstream. What is the ratio of the speed of still water to the ratio of the current? Ratio of the speed of the still water to the current. So now question is
3
dealing with
is to
the
1.
3:1. So here the speed of still water. Here show the speed in still water. So that is the question now. Speed of a current. So these only you need to identify. So if you know this logic, simple. N plus 1 by n minus 1. So now here n is nothing but half times. Right. The question is half. So half plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. So here the speed is absolute. So therefore you cannot consider, you should not take negative etc. Therefore 1 minus half is nothing but half. 2 cancel, then it will become 3 by 1. So the answer is 3:1 within simple manner. So this question was there in 2020. Okay, understood? Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. If you understood, then I will give you few questions. So with the you people solve. Okay. So now I have provided you the all the concept. So now just to revise. Okay. So concept number 1, then concept number 2, concept number 3 also done with respect to this one. Okay. So with these concepts solved here, I am giving this question. A person goes to a certain distance downstream and returns the same distance upstream. The speed of his yacht in still water is 13 knots per hour, while the speed of the stream is 6 knots per hour. What is the average speed? What is the average speed? What is the average speed? Concept number 3. Concept number 3. X plus y by x minus y by x. That logic apply here, surely will get it. So now, understood how to solve this? I am waiting for your answers.
It's 28 4 by 5.
Huh,
Yes, sir.
fine. So here x is nothing but a 30, y is nothing but a 6. Then average speed, which is equal to x plus y, x minus y by x. So x plus here 36, 24 by 30. 6 table, 5 times, 6 times. So therefore here 6 into 24. Here 4 to 144. 144 by 5. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. 20 talk over
Huh. 28.8. Isn't it?
time.
Exactly. If it is decimal, then Ajay understanding appa? Ismail understanding?
Yes, sir.
Simple logic only. Okay. I'm giving you next question. Try it. A boat covers 22 kilometer downstream in 4 hours, 12 kilometer upstream in 8 hours. What is the speed of the boat in still water and what is the speed of the stream? I think concept number 2. This concept. Concept number 2. Apply this easily you can. Okay. Concept number 2. First of all, find the downstream speed and find out the upstream speed. Then find the speed of the boat.
17.
Huh?
Speed of boat is 17.
17. Speed of your boat.
Yes, sir.
7/2. 5.
Listen, downstream speed is equal to what? So SD.
20.
22 by 4. 22 by 4. 5.4 sorry. 5.4 or 5.5. 5.5 yeah. 5 times.
Yes,
Then
sir.
again 4 na 5. So therefore 5.5 hours. So upstream speed is equal to 12 by 8. 12 by 8. 12 by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. The question is dealing with the speed of a boat. Speed of a boat is equal to downstream speed plus then upstream speed by 2. So which is equal to 7 by 2. So which is equal to 3.5 kilometer per hour. Then the speed of the stream, which is equal to SD minus SU by 2. Upstream speed minus, sorry, downstream speed minus upstream speed. So yes, subtract, then automatically you will get a 4 by 2. So which is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. Anybody having a doubt? I'm giving you
Yes,
this
sir.
as a practice. Now listen, one more logic I need to teach you. Here listen, if the question is dealing with the speed of your boat, then you can apply your. If the question is dealing with this, what is the speed of your, what is the speed of a stream, then what will you do? What will you do here? Same logic. Listen, here applied y na, here you have to apply x. Then here t2 minus t1 by t2 plus t1. Understood? If the question is dealing with to find the speed of the, if the thing is the speed of a boat provided, that is given, to find the speed of a stream means you have to apply your x into t2 minus t1 by t2 plus t1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Now this question, speed of a boat and speed of a river has been provided. What is the total time required to travel 56 meter downstream and 24 meter upstream? You people doing means I will wait.
The last slide. No. Speed of a stream. There x into t2 plus t1 by t2 minus t1.
Mm, mm,
Okay.
mm, mm.
Thank you, sir.
Now listen here. So what is the given here? Speed of the boat. Speed of the boat is nothing but what? U. So E has been provided. Speed of the river is nothing but a V. 5 meter per second. The question is dealing with the. So then what is the downstream speed?
4 seconds.
Downstream speed is equal to what? U plus V.
14.
9 plus 5. So which is equal to 14 meter per second. Then upstream speed.
4.
Upstream speed is equal to U minus V. So which is equal to 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4 meter per second. Here the question is dealing with the total time. So the total time is nothing but actually what is the time? Distance by.
56 by 14.
So you know the logical distance equal to speed into time. Time is nothing but distance by speed. Okay. So downstream distance has been provided 56 here. With respect to downstream speed is nothing but 14. Plus upstream distance is provided 24. Then speed is nothing but 4. Understanding?
Yes,
So
sir.
then cancel this. 14, 14, 4 time.
47.
Here 6 time. So therefore 10. So you may get this kind of question also. Okay, seconds. 10 seconds. Anybody having a doubt? No?
No, sir.
Fine. Very good. Now listen. This question now. The speed of a boat is 16 kilometer and the speed of the river is 4 kilometer per hour. Cochin and Alleppey are 120 kilometer away from each other on the river. On this river. How long does the boat take to go from Cochin to Alleppey and come back? And come back. How long? What do you mean by how long? What they are asking you to find out?
Say both upstream and downstream.
No. How long?
Time.
Time only you need to identify here. Understanding or not? Time you need to identify here. So here, first of all, U is equal to 16 kilometer per hour. V is equal to what? Understanding or not?
4.
So total 16 hours, sir.
Correct. So then here 4 kilometer per hour. D has been provided 120. How long? So first of all, find out the downstream. Downstream is equal to
U plus V and
huh.
V.
U
So
plus V.
downstream speed is equal to U plus V 20. So upstream speed is equal to U minus V. So which is equal to 12. So therefore total time. Total time is equal to what? 2. Which means that Cochin to Alleppey. This distance is equal to 120. Okay, downstream. So downstream is nothing but the speed is nothing but 20. Then the upstream same 120 returning back right upstream. Then that speed is nothing but 12. Then cancel this 6 here 10. Therefore 6 plus 10 is nothing but 16 hours. Having doubt?
Yeah.
Clear. A boat takes tries
Sir,
as
1 minute last.
last one.
Sir, I have a doubt here.
Hmm.
Sir, can't we use this by using concept 6 formula?
Sir, I did that. So only I checked answer. It also coming, sir.
Huh?
Concept number
Distance
6.
equal to t into x square minus y square by 2x. That one I did. That also 16 only coming.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So you need that concept number 6,
No, sir, I asked, can we do by using concept number 6 or not?
A man can row a boat in a still water, then steam this flows. Then if takes t hours, then back the same distance. Rashikar, you are done using this one now.
Yes, sir.
So here, what is the t? We need to identify.
Yes, sir. T we need to identify.
T
Distance
you need to
120.
identify. So here required distance is equal to what?
120.
You want that method? Wait, I will change the color of the pen. So here method 2, required distance is equal to t
T
into
into
x square minus y square by
x
2
to x.
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 Why we are using x? Just tell me why we are using x. The question is dealing with how long does the boat. The question is not dealing with how long more. Okay, if it is more, then you have to take a 2y. Okay, so there 120, then a t. So x square
16
256.
square is a 256 minus 16
By
by
32.
2 into 16. 32.
Hmm.
So,
Then 120, then 240 by 32. 0 0 cancel. Then here 2 times. Then here 16. Then cross multiply this. The 40 is equal to 16. Clear? Vamsi.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
But this is the one without formula. Method 1 is without formula. Just you know VU, you know V, you know D, then you know how to find out the downstream speed, how to find out, then automatically total is nothing but the distance by upstream plus distance by the downstream. So this also without formula we are using a logic. Understood? Every case is quite difficult to remember the formula, but understand the logic also simple. Now a boat takes twice as long to complete the same journey upstream downstream if the speed. So now what is the speed? So this also we are done. This also we can do by using which concept?
Seven, sir.
Ah, concept number 7. Shall we use this one?
Yes.
Check by using concept number 7 whether you are getting the answer or not.
Twenty.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
by using concept number 7. Ah. So now speed of still water by speed of stream, which is equal to n plus 1 by n minus 1. So which is equal to 4. So n is equal to 3. 4 by 2. Still water into identify.
That
So
is
therefore
boat
speed of the still
speed.
water by 10 equal to 2. Then speed of the still water which is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. Understood? Yes or no? With this 7 concept, most of the problem you can solve by using this 7 concept itself. I will teach you this method too also. Listen. I will teach you the methods. Okay. So just now I have told speed of a boat. Speed of boat. Which concept? X into T2 minus T1 by T2 plus T1. This also just now I told check whether it is possible here. Check whether it is possible here. Possible here. So first of all, listen. Time taken for the downstream. Just take downstream as T1. Downstream as X hours. Then what is the upstream? Upstream takes tries. Understood or not? A boat takes tries as long to complete the same journey upstream. Tries same journey of the downstream. So therefore here 3 hours. So what is the speed of the stream? Speed of the stream you are taking as the v. So v is nothing but a 10. You need to identify u. Right, that is the speed of the. So here you can take up. So this is nothing but I'm just considering in terms of v here. Yes or no? So this is speed of the boat. Wait. Which slide? That one. Concept number. So speed of a boat is nothing but y into t2 plus t1, right? Then here y is nothing but a v here plus here minus. Understood? Then here 10. You can go with the method 2 also. So therefore speed of a boat which is equal to what? 10 into t2 plus t1 is nothing but a 4x. T2 minus, so this is nothing but 2x. Here 2 times. Then 10 into 2 is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. You can go with this method also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Or else you can go with this method also. Any method, just proceed, not an issue. So now next question. The speed of a boat is 18 km per hour if I travel 65 km between A and B. Then returns back in a total of 9 hours. Total of 9 hours. What is the speed of the stream? So which concept you can apply here? Total 9 hours. Shall we take
6.
2x? 2x denominator contains 2x. That concept.
Yes.
So fixed concept, sir.
Wait, I will tell you. This concept you can apply na?
Yes, sir.
Equidistance. So here what is the distance? 65, yeah? T is nothing but 9. Here x is nothing but the speed of the boat. 18 square. Right? 18 square minus y square by 2 into 18. Then we can cancel this. Here 2 times. Here 4. 4 cross multiply. 260. 18 square is nothing but 364. Isn't it? 324, right?
24, sir.
324 minus y square. Then y square is equal to what? 564. So 564 obviously 20
No, sir.
what? Why no, sir?
24 minus 260. Y square
3
is equal to 64 will come.
y square y square minus understood.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So you are bringing this one and then minus 260, then 64
64, yes, sir.
cannot be negative, therefore y is equal to 8
Y is equal
plus
to
or
8.
minus, therefore y is equal to 8. Understood?
Now understood. Okay.
You can go with this method, or else if you want I will teach you another method, or this method is enough na?
Enough.
Enough.
Enough,
But
sir.
with this most of the problem can be done, but this problem, listen carefully, this is the exceptional case. Okay, exceptional case is nothing but the special case. Okay, here you will get the same concept. Okay, boat, stream, here flight, here the flight. Okay, the only thing is boat with respect to the water or stream, here this flight with respect to the wind. Understood?
Sir,
Same thing.
repeat one.
Same with respect to the boat, you have to consider the stream.
Okay, sir.
Here with respect to the flight you have to consider the wind. Understood? The speed of the stream. Instead of speed of the stream, you can take the speed of the wind. Understood?
Sir, 20 kilometer per hour, sir, ಇಲ್ಲ 20 kilometers.
So
Sir,
you are asking about the question.
sir, if the air current
Question typing
is,
mistake.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir, ಅದ sir doubt.
A flight from Lucknow in the north to Chennai in the south, thus covering 1800 km in 4 hours. If the air current, what do you mean by air current? Speed of the current, okay. Air current is at 20 km from south to north. Okay. What is the speed of the flight? Yes, kilometer per hour only. Dinesh,
Sir,
understood now?
okay, okay, sir.
Find out the answer. Simple. Now, what is the speed of the stream?
20 kilometer per hour.
Speed of the stream is equal to 20. So, speed of a flight you need to identify. Okay. So now, what you need to calculate? You need to calculate u. This is u, then this is v. Right. Just covering a distance, covering 1800 km in 4 hours. So your time provided, distance provided, then what do you mean by relative speed? Relative speed is nothing but u plus v. This is nothing but u plus v. Understood? Then time is nothing but a 4. Here distance is nothing but water. 1800. So u plus v, that is the relative speed. Since, listen. So now go through the statement. A flight from north to Chennai in the south. The air is moving from. So which means against. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
This is north, this is south. Now the air, see, flight is coming in this direction. This air current is going in this direction. So opposite is direction, which means that u plus v. Relative speed is nothing but a u plus v if they are alternate. Okay. So then u plus v is equal to 1800 by 4. Then you know the value of v. So therefore here 20. Cancel this first. Cancel this. 900, therefore 450.
450.
450. Then u is equal to what? Listen. Though same. So here upstream means what?
U minus v.
U minus v, right? Upstream. Therefore u minus v. Understood?
No.
Others. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
U minus v. Then u is equal to 450 plus 20. Then u is equal to 470 kilometer per hour. Anybody having a doubt? If yes, please clarify. If no, let us conclude this class.